Welcome to my channel. Okay, I'm video, but we can. Okay, hi guys, welcome to my channel and subscribe. And I want to do this. Okay, this is from my mom. She gave me, and she told me, "You want the present? I want the present." Okay, she gave me a present so big. I think what is? Oh, I can't see it. Oh, I don't know. Okay. I want to open in next video. Okay, I'm open. She like, I don't know. I like it. Oh, it's so sticky. Oh, what is that? What is that? One? Just one. Oh, I know it. Oh, this. My mom gave me this. I don't know what is this. I don't know what is this. Oh, one again. Pencil case. You see that? My pencil case. Okay, it's one. A pencil. Pencil. How should I do this? It's so cute. I don't know. Hello. I don't know. Okay, that one. Oh, a lot of this. Flower. Oh, she gave me some of this. My t-shirt. Wait. Some kitchen. I like it. Crummy. Thank you, Mom. And she gave me a lot of music. You want to see it? Okay. Okay, this is my mom gave me. Oh, okay.